Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Yuvraj from Agri Career. Today we are going to discuss some of the future prospects in recruitment industry and how the future looks ahead for recruitment. In fact, we will be discussing some of the possibilities of recruitment industry in 2020. So with me, two of my colleagues are there who are joining me for this. So let's start the discussion. Yes, my colleague Akansha.
Hey
Yes.
guys, my name is Akanksha Sethi. This is my fourth YouTube video and we will be discussing about the future of recruitment.
Yes.
Hi, this is Parvez Ahmed from Agri Career. This is my first YouTube video and we will be discussing the future of recruitment prospects in 2020.
Right. So let me start with the first point. By 2020, there will be focus more on the happy candidates. If you see the entire recruitment or talent acquisition industry, there are two types of candidates which we encounter every day. First are the unhappy candidates who are looking for job opportunities. They are unhappy. Either they are unhappy with their boss, environment, office, colleague, office politics. And on the second hand, there are happy candidates who are not very active on the job boards or the job portals, and they are passive in fact. So by 2020, the more focus will be on the passive candidates who don't want to change their job or who are happy working in their own company. You can say that they are made for the company, they want to stay till they are live in the same company. So these are very potential candidates. They are not on any of the job portals, they are not very actively making or updating their CVs. So these are passive candidates. So the recruitment agencies or companies will be trying to focus on these happy candidates, searching those happy candidates, and once we are successful in identifying the happy candidates, it will be very easy for them to switch the career and move ahead. So 2020, searching on happy candidates will be the focus area. Yes.
And the next point is job board and portals. There will be many job portals available in India by 2020. Job portals like Monster, Shine, Naukri are available nowadays, where candidates post their CV and resume for free.
Right. So Akansha's point is there will be more focus on the new job boards and new job portals. There will be more upcoming job boards, and every sector will have their specialized job boards. Right.
Another point is application of technology. There will be some automated tools for the candidates and the companies. Some of these tools may be psychometric tests, online interviews, online counseling, and many filtering tools. This will make the entire recruitment very fast. Some of the big companies like banks have their own career pages and tools which is available online. Through these, candidates can track their own CVs and can get their updated information anytime and anywhere.
Correct. Let me moderate this entire session. In fact, Parvez has a very excellent point that application of technology will increase, and like a lot of banks, if you see, in fact, they have a career page where you can upload the CV, you can monitor your CV, you track your CV, you can plan your interview, and you can get the entire status. In fact, so in the coming days, a lot of use of technology will be happening, and a lot of counseling and psychometric test things like this will be online, and it become very easy for the recruitment agencies and for the companies and for the candidates also. So the TAT will reduce. In fact, the turnaround time for recruitment will reduce. So let me come to the third point. Third point, which is the important in the coming days, will be there will be no applicant paid fees. If you see some of the advanced countries, in fact, they don't charge. If you see companies like America, Canada, Australia, they don't charge anything from the candidates. But still in India, there is a lot of associated fees which many of you have already paid in your career, or either you have paid it to any of the job boards, existing job boards, or to any of the recruitment agency, or to any of the consultant. But by 2020 there will not be any applicant paid fees. You don't have to give any registration or CV making fees, or to get any update from any industry, any sector. It will be more focus on searching the right talent, in fact, and there will be talent war by 2020, and the fees will go. And if any of the candidate is right, he has the proper skill sets, and if he is perfect for a job, companies and the recruitment agencies will be after you. So there will be no applicant paid fees by 2020.
And the fourth point is interview process will be very fast. By 2020, the interview process will be very fast. Today, the process of interview is bit lengthy, as the company does not know the urgent position. The company should know the urgent position. According to the urgent position, they should send the candidates to the company. The company should know which position is vacant, or you can say existing or exists for the candidates. According to the urgent position, they should send the candidates to the company.
Right, the process is going to be very, very fast in the coming days. And yes, the challenge is either the candidate or company are not clear whether they should send the CV or not to any of the consultant or to the company. Is the position vacant or not? So understanding the current and urgent position is very important. So by 2020, it will be very clear whether the position is urgent or not, whether the company is serious or not, so that candidate will have a better advantage while sending the CV. Yes.
Another point is people aggregator. Recruitment agency will be the people aggregator, but there will be a tough competitions and tough talent war by 2020. Those who prefer to excel in their career, whether it is company or recruitment, they will have the right candidates. Or those who does not have the right, those who don't have those who don't know the right how to recruit the right candidates will be get rid of the talent war, and they will have to search for their livelihood or look for the other options also.
Right, Parvez is 100% right. There are a lot of fake consultant in India, in fact. So in the coming days, in fact, recruitment agencies are going to be the people aggregators, and the agency or the company which perform the best will survive in the market, and others will be washed out from entire India. So the faith of the candidates on these companies will increase definitely. Yes, excellent point. Let me come to my last point. In fact, by 2020, lot of focus will be on the background of the companies. In fact, what type of company they are going to apply, what is the future prospect once they join the company. So branding of the company will be very important exercise. Still, all of us want to join a good company, big company. So in the coming days, in fact, it's the brand of the company which will matters a lot, and it will be the growth opportunities. If anyone is joining a particular company in particular sector or segment, in fact, what are the growth opportunities available for a candidate? So branding and growth opportunity in any of the company will matters a lot, and especially by 2020. Yes.
And the next point is tough competition. There will be a tough competition between candidate companies and recruitment consultancy who attracts the right candidate to the company, and many non-talented and fraud companies will be vanished away by 2020.
Yes. So competition is going to increase. Either it is for the companies who want to select the best candidate, or whether it is for the candidates, if you have the right skill set and right talent, in fact, it's good for you, or for recruitment agencies, in fact. the competition is going to increase and more specialization will come into this sector. Yes.
Yeah. Another last point is government. Government will also play a pivotal role in the recruitment process. Okay, there will be many positions for the government sectors, whether it is part time or the contractual. Okay, and through this they will be able to search the right candidates with the right skill sets. Okay, it will bring big opportunity. It will bring opportunity. Government will try to focus on giving at least one government job to the needless Indian families.
Yes. Parveen is also 100% right in fact, and as perspective or outlook of 2020, as he has rightly pointed out that there will be a lot of government vacancies and jobs in the coming years. So there will be a lot of part-time opportunities or full-time opportunities for the entire private sector of the candidates who want to join a government company in either at the central level or at the state level. And the focus of the government will be job creation, and government will try to have at least one government job in each of the families across India. So yes, we are done. Yes. So almost we have discussed today almost some 9 points. How we look the future of recruitment industry by 2020. We appreciate and thanks to all of you for watching this video. We appreciate if you can give us a click or you can share your feedback through mail. In fact, we would be very happy getting your feedback and getting the detailed feedback of yours. In fact, it was good interacting with all of you. Good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.